Okay, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about computer. In that we are learning about MS Excel 2010. In that today we are going to learn about the charts. How to insert charts, what are the charts, what are the different types of charts, what is a chart that we will learn today. Okay. So in this we are learning about MS Excel. So the topic is charts in MS Excel 2010. So in last class what we have learned, how to enter the records into the Excel sheet, how to enter the records and how to find the values, total, average, minimum, maximum and count. All those how to find, how to calculate we have learned in the last class. And today we are going to learn about the charts. Charts means some graphs you will draw. You will take some values and you will draw the graphs. Same like that here also we will insert some charts, insert some pictures. So that is a pictorial representation of a table, of a value. So charts are the pictorial representation of the values or of the records. So it is a pictorial representation. So why we need this pictorial representation means for better understanding. So if you write so many things, maybe they can't understand. Just if you give the graph or if you give the chart, then we can see the values and we can say what is the values there, what is the result there. Okay? Representation. So suppose if any companies are there, what they will do? Some last year's profit and this year's profit. To compare those two, they will select these pictorial representations. Select those charts. So that by that they can know in which year they got much profit and which year they got less profit. Like that they can compare. So to comparing values, these charts are inserted. So in this we are going to learn about different charts. So types of charts. So we have different types of charts like bar chart, column chart, column chart. Third one, line charts, line chart. Okay. For this, so pie charts, donut chart. Donut charts are 2D or 3D area charts. So area charts. We have different types of charts here. Okay. The seventh one is 3D. 3D surface chart. So this also we can insert all these charts. So what are the different types of charts? Bar chart, column chart, line, pie chart, donut chart, area chart, 3D surface charts. So we will learn one by one now. Okay, how they will be displayed, how it is represented. By taking one example, we will see all these charts, how they are inserted into the computer. So the first one is bar chart. So suppose here I am taking the example some activities. So in this we have given different activities, dance. So here the activity in the table. So in the table we have to select the values. So activity and number of people. So who follow those, who has those hobbies, we will create one table here. Okay, for this table we will draw different charts in this. So activities, dance, singing, reading. 3 we will take. Okay, 3 records we will take. Okay, in this some 20 members will do this dance, some 50 members for singing, reading for values. Okay, like this we will take one table. So for this table we will insert the chart. So in this bar chart, so it is displayed like this. So these bars. So horizontal bars are displayed. For the this is the x-axis. Here it is x-axis and it is y-axis. For graph we have x-axis and y-axis. Same as it is. For charts also we have x-axis and y-axis. So in this the numbers are displayed here. 0. So here what we have taken. So we will start from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 range. 50, one more 60 we will take. So like this. Correct? So in this, on x-axis the values are given. Values are given, and on y-axis the activities are given. How many activities we have taken? 3 activities. Okay. So dance, singing, and so one more is dance, and in this singing and reading. These 3 values we will take, and we will compare these 3 and with the values. So values and these activities. Okay. So 20 members. How many dance will come here? For 20 members. So this one. 20 members in this. Okay. Here we will take one more. So we are comparing. What I said, we are comparing. We are from A team and B team. Here we will take A team and B team. Team A. So here team B. Team B. These two we will compare. So charts are used to compare the values, isn't it? So B team 30 members, here 60 members, here 40 members. Okay. So the answer. A team 20 members and B team is 30 members. Like this, the chart will be displayed. And singing, how many? 50 members. In A team, 50 members are there. And in B team, how many members? 60 members. So B team, total 60 members are there. Like this, the chart will be displayed. See the lines. It draws the horizontal bars. So next one, reading. How many members are there? 30 members in A team and 40 members in B team. Okay. It displays the bars, horizontal bars like this. So on x-axis the values are taken. Okay, comparing values. And on y-axis the activities are taken. And these two teams, team A and team B. Suppose these two are this one, team A. Here team A and it is team B. So these two are displayed in different colors. So suppose team A is lines, team A, and team B will be like horizontal lines, team B. So for your understanding I am telling this one, but there different colors will be displayed. Okay, team A what will do? Will draw lines like this. For team B, cross lines. Okay, for differentiation. So like this the bar chart will be displayed. Next, line chart. For line chart, so lines are displayed here. See, like different lines are displayed. And the values will be changed. Now for bar chart, the values are on x-axis and the activities are on y-axis. But in line chart, the activities are on x-axis, the values are on y-axis. Okay. So values, comparing values are on y-axis and the activities are on x-axis. This is the difference between the bar chart and line chart. Okay. So here dance, next sing, reading. Okay. These three like this. The first team A is at 20 dance dots. Okay, line now we have to join all these lines, all these dots. Singing 50. Singing area 50. And reading again 30. Here 30. So we have to join all these lines like this, it will come. And one more team B, this is for team A. Okay, this is for team A. And one more is, we will use next here for team B, what is their dance is 30 members. 30 members. Singing is 60 members. Here we will give 60 members, and reading is 30 members. Reading is again here 40 members. No, 40. So this one is 40. So this line comes like this. Okay. This is the line chart. Like this we will draw different charts by comparing the team A and team B values. Okay. So next one is column chart. Same for column chart also, the values are on y-axis and the activities are on x-axis. Okay. So now we will draw these columns. So here column bars will be given. So straight vertical bars will be given. Okay, for team A where it is 20. So 20 for team A, this is 20, and for team B till here 30. Okay, now this is team A. So we will write here. For team A I will draw like this. Okay, and for team B I will draw the lines like this. Team B. This is team A. Okay, these lines for team A, and like this is for team B. Okay, in that system the different colors will be displayed. Okay, for differentiation. Next singing here, what is this? 50 and 50 here. The singing here 50 and here 60. So like this will be displayed. Okay, this one, and here it is. So for our differentiation we are doing like this. Okay, and next one reading is 30 here and here 40. So these lines for team A and these lines for team B. So like this the line chart, the column chart will be displayed. Third one is column chart. This column chart is displayed here. Okay. So in this next one is pie chart. The fourth one is pie chart. So in this pie chart only one values are considered. Any one value. Pie chart, either team A or either team B, like that. Okay, only one value is considered in the pie chart. So it will be like this. So in news we will see, for budget they will display this pie charts for budgets or in the voting time. So examples are in newspapers you will see. For budget they will display this pie chart, and for voting also this many percent this party gain, like that they will show in the pie chart. So now we will see pie chart. So in this pie chart only single values are taken. That means either team A it will take or either team B you have to give. Okay, just we will draw for team A. Single value it will take. Okay, na? So for team A we are taking. So team A in this, what it is, total 100%. In this 100%, 20, I think it is 20% for what it is, dancer. So what it is, team A. So team A, and again 50% is 50% for singing, and remaining 30% is 30% what it is, reading. So like this pie chart will be displayed for team A. Okay, so either any value for team A it will draw or for team B. So you have to give only one value. Whatever you want to give, only those values you have to give. Okay. Next donut chart. Fifth one is donut chart. donut chart. So in this we can contain 2 or more values. So for team A and team B, for both it will draw the chart. Okay. So we will see that task. Donut chart. So more than one value it can take. More than one it can take. So how it is? See in this, and again inside another circle. Inside it will take another circle. And this is for outer one is team A, we will write, and inside one is team B. Okay, for team B. So what it is? 20. So from here to here 20. This is dance. From here to here singing. So these are displayed in different colors. Okay, this remaining is reading. Reading. Okay, and next in the middle, from here we are starting. So for team B, what it is? 30. From same here to here 30 for team B, dance. And again here to here we will write. This is for singing, and the remaining is reading. Okay, so like this. Here 20, this is the 50, and remaining 30 here. And for this 30, okay, for this one is 60, here is 40. Okay, so this is for two team A and team B. For two values, for comparing two values, we use this donut chart. In pie chart, it takes only one value. For more than one, if you want to compare more than one, that time we will take this donut chart. Okay. So next we have area charts and 3D surface charts. Same. So for area chart, sixth one is area chart. So for area chart, on x-axis, these activities are taken. So activities on x-axis, and values on y-axis, values. Okay. So like this, the chart will be same. So next, seventh one is 3D surface. Okay, 3D surface chart. Same for this also, but 3D form. 3D like this it will display. This 3D format. In this 3D format it will display the chart here. So on y-axis the values, 3D surface. So on x-axis activities. It will take the activities. Okay. So like this the chart will be drawn. Okay, till now we have discussed all the different types of charts. What are the components of a chart? Just I will show you what are the components of a chart. So this one is a chart. So on x-axis, this is the x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, next what are the values equal? Here one title will be given, this one, that is a chart title. That title also you can give. So whatever you want to represent here, the title you can write here. The next one is grid lines. So here like this lines will be displayed to insert the chart. Without lines also we can display this. So these are grid lines. And here I said now with the two colors the values are displayed. If you are comparing two, these two are the called as legends. Legends, and the values which are given by comparing these two, so those are the data series. The values are called as data series. Here what are the values? Suppose you are comparing A and B, team A and team B. We compare now. So here that is 40, 30 for team A and 40 for team B. No? So these two are called as data series. Okay. Hope you all understood, children. I will show you in the system how to insert all these charts by comparing two values. So in that I have taken one student table, total and average. I compared those two, total and average, and displayed different charts. Okay. Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about charts. So first we will enter 5 records in this, and after that we will check the formats, check the charts, how to enter different charts into the Excel sheet. Okay. First we will create one table, student number, next student name, next one subject 1. So this is example table, subject 2 and total. So after that we will find the average. Okay. Here we will enter 5 records. So names are some names. I am giving only ABCDs just for example. T, E. Okay. Subject 1, 45. Okay, and subject to 2 marks. Subject 2 I will give okay. Like now we will find the total here. So how to find this auto sum? We have in last class we have learned about this auto sum. So we will find the sum of C2 and D2. Okay. So enter, and next we will drag this formula to all the cells. Okay. Answers are displayed here. And what is the average? Again we will find the average of only these 2 cells we need. Isn't it? This cell and this cell. That's it. So like this. Again we will drag the formula. Okay. Now all these are displayed. Now we will see what are the charts here from insert tab. In insert we have different charts here. See, recommended charts, these charts, and bar chart, a column chart. This is column chart, and this one line chart. This is a donut chart. See, bar chart, and insert area charts. Surface, stock surface, radar chart. This one combo chart. Next another different charts are there. See, pivot chart and pivot table. Okay. This one bubble chart. So chart is nothing but it's a graphical representation of our data. So whatever the data we have in the table, using this data we will display one chart. Like graphs you will draw, no? Like that it is using these values we will draw a chart. We will insert a chart here. First we will see in this also we have 2D columns, 3D like this. Okay. Now we will take total and average. Only for these 2 values we will insert the column. See, cluster column chart. can keep this aside like this. This is the column chart for average and total. See, total, this is in blue color, average in orange color. So marks are up to 200 marks, and numbers, how many students are there? 5 students. So 5 values on x-axis, and marks are on y-axis, and for total it displayed in blue color, and for average it displayed in the orange color. Okay, like this we can insert the column chart. Okay. Next we will try another chart. Again insert. In the insert, now we will try line chart. Line chart, okay. So for total and average, we will insert line chart. This type we will take. See. This one. Marks are 100 marks and 200 marks levels and 5 members. So series are, this data series are, so blue color is total and orange color is average. See, dots are there now. Those points are marked here. Chart. Next we will try another chart. So what is there here? This one, area chart. So 2D area charts and 3D area charts. That also we will see now. For total and average. In this one, 3D chart we will try. See how it is displayed. Like this, different charts we can. So 2D chart, it will be like this. So whatever the values you give, those will be displayed in different colors. Different colors for the difference. And this one. See, like this, the charts will be inserted. So this is under. Now we will see this pie chart, 2D pie chart and 3D pie chart and donut chart. See, this is the donut chart. This one 3D pie and this is a 2D pie chart. Okay. So all these are displayed according to the values you select. Okay children.